Hey guys, how is everything? So let's talk. We gotta talk. So what happened is that um I started putting all the clothes on my website. Yes. And I've been putting out like all the fabrics that I have, which is they're like 1 yard fabric. I just make outfits and put them up. Okay. Now I sew every day because I want to tend to stay busy. I'm not making the same thing over and over. I have a lot of fabrics. Let me show you how much fabric I have. Look there. I have so much fabric. I have fabric that I bought from a garage sale. Yeah. This lady was doing like an estate sale. And I got look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see, but look at this lace. And this lace have 36 yard on it. Look. So I got a bunch of these. I got a bunch of like small fabrics. Like it's not much to it. It's and they're jersey knit. Some of them is terry. So and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna be doing with these, but I did. She had like a whole box full of fabrics from back in the 80s. Yeah, she did. And I'm like, so I got them and I told myself I'm just gonna make some outfits and that's about it. Um, I think I'm gonna start naming my outfits. I've never named them, but I think I need to. Because I made an outfit which is an uh altar back dress and it's sold. And it's sold to a girl named Nicole. So what I'm gonna do is that dress, I'm gonna call it the Nicole dress. Yeah, because I didn't have a name for it, and I was like, oh my god, I should do that. So a couple of my dresses that, like if it's the same style, I'm just gonna the Nicole dress. Just gonna be in different prints, and then I have another dress that was sold this week, and I'm just gonna look at the name of that person. So I'm just gonna make my two-piece named Jenny. I have to. I got to. So it was like the bralette skirt set, and she got it. So her name is Jenny, and I'm like, that's gonna be me and my Jenny two-piece. Yeah, yeah. So I can do like Jenny, because I can't call all of them Jenny. So I think I'm gonna do like a number system with Jenny or something like that, or that like if it's cherry print, like cherry Jenny. I'm just gonna find a way to make these because it's like a two-piece, like it's a two-piece like this. It's a two-piece like this. And the girl who purchased it, her name is Jenny. So I'm like, and I know I have a bunch of what do you call it? Two pieces. So I can't call all of them Jenny. There might be, I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure a way. But yeah, her name is Jenny. Cause you know what? It could be Jenny, but then it could be like a number. Like Jenny like a number, and then I know what the number is, you know. Because I know like people who actually like the independent designer, they have some type of naming system they have for their outfits, for their clothing. So I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Yeah, but the dress that I was sold, I was like, yeah, definitely, definitely, um, a Nicole dress. Yeah, yeah. Because this is my second time selling that dress, so I'm gonna make that a Nicole dress. Like that would be like my best seller or something like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Um. So what else I want to talk to you about? I haven't been on Etsy for a minute. I have not been on Etsy for a minute because of the whole changes and the prices and stuff like that. So what I've been doing now is going back on Etsy. Because normally on Etsy I only have dancewear. So I just recently start putting clothing on there, like clubwear and stuff. So I'm thinking about doing more, because as soon as I put that outfit out, it was sold. So I'm thinking about doing that, um, putting some more outfits up there. I'm gonna do that on my Etsy shop. I just have to figure in the prices because it's expensive. It's really expensive on there. Like it's 20 cents to upload. But like they charge you for the merchant, they take a percentage, and they charge you for all these little things they charge you for, and they charge you out of the shipping too, you know. So yeah, I'm going back to Etsy, definitely. But I just have to put price up. What I'm going to do at Etsy is going to be more pricey, and then on my website, then it's going to be a little bit less because I don't have like a lot. I don't. It's just who doing the processing, and that's it. So I know, so I can do it that way because, um, and help my customer. So, you know, yeah, I'll do it that way because, and then you can see the difference in prices. But might be over on my shop is 65, 75, but then over by Etsy is gonna be 95 because there's no way um that I can't make $50 outfits over there. They take so much. They take a lot. And even I remember one time they did where there was like a for advertisement, and I literally I think I get $10, and the outfit was like around 40 or something like that, and I'm like, how the hell I get $10? And I'm like, Jesus Christ. And when you look, it was like, apart from the listing fee, the merchant fee, them other fees, and then at the end I was like, advertisement. I was like, oh no. And I'm like, wow. So I swear, I think I get like around 12 or 12 something dollars. So I'm like, I gotta put the prices up because I know on my website I make more. If I do $65, I know when they process my 65 is only a certain percentage. And even when I pay shipping out of that, I can see the money, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that too. Yeah, I gotta raise the prices on the Etsy because Etsy is really, it is pricey. When you really think about it, if you consistently have sales, that is gonna happen. You're gonna pay a lot to Etsy. So that's my rant about Etsy. Um, so what I've been up to, this week I've been making more outfits, finished making them. Also I've been labeling them and shipping out. Um, I've been checking on orders like that have been shipped to make sure it's shipped fine and the customer and my clients are quite happy. And also, what else I've been doing? I've been making patterns. Yeah, I've been making patterns. Um, so I've been doing that. One other pattern I made was this right here, and I'm gonna show you. This is one of the patterns I made. And this is an asymmetric dress. Let me show you a little bit about this dress, that why it's so different. So this is it. And I trimmed it. I trimmed it. Okay. And here's the back. So it goes down into a slant. So I start from here, goes on to a slant. It's literally trimmed. There's the back. And this have an elastic in here so that it fit like perfectly on your back. Okay. And I didn't put it so low that you can't be a modest. So that's it. And that's how it looks in the back. So I made this pattern, and I did put it on Etsy and also on my shop. I don't have enough of this fabric. I don't. As I said before, I do not buy a lot of these because I I'm I'm I don't have that much fund, or I don't have, hold on, I don't get a lot of it because sometimes it's just a small amount of fabrics, and then remember I only buy like end of both, so it wasn't a lot. Okay, so this is it right here. Yes, so I did that dress, and I don't know what I'm gonna name her. So what I'm gonna be doing is a little bit different. I'm going to be naming these dresses, but it's going to be the same design, but in different prints. That's what I'm going to be doing because um, as I said before in all my videos, I do not buy a lot of boat fabrics on the boat. Okay, I'll be buying like dead stock. I'll be buying remnant, and basically that's what I do. Okay, so no, I'm not gonna get 4 yards of the same fabric. No, I even when I was at Spandex World, I went there to get black, and the guy was like, "How much black you want?" And I was like, 3 yards. And he's like, "That's," he said, because they didn't have no black milliskin, none whatsoever. So, and I tend to use the black fabric to make like strings and biases and stuff like that. So, and trim. And I'm like, that's mostly what I use the black with. Or if I'm making a skirt, I might be use part of the black. But I don't, that's about it. That's about it. That's why I want to be a little bit different from everybody, because I don't want to consider myself, or people look at me like fast fashion, because I'm not. It's just that I only make what I have, literally. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this outfit right now and go from there. So I have this left, a little bit more of this. So I'm thinking about putting it with a different fabric color print, because it's a little bit left. Oh, so I have a lot of African print, and I was thinking of making scrunchies with it. No, I don't have no hair. But my wife have hair and she have dreads, and I'm like, I made her a scrunchie and she's like, she loved it. So I was like, I think I should make one. So I have this African print. So let us make a scrunchie from this right here. I think I'm gonna make it out of like this. So let's go.